want us to come back to one of those little tiny books called Amos today. There's one of those little verses back there that's just great wisdom. In verse 3 of chapter 3 it says, "Do two walk together unless they have agreed to do so?" Do two walk together unless they have agreed to do so? Now, to walk together with somebody means you're going to the same place, you're going in the same direction, you're going to be walking at the same speed. There's a lot of agreement that has taken for two people to walk together. When a young man agrees to walk a young lady home, he's not walking fast, he's walking slow. Her legs are not as long as his. It's like Pastor Pagador and Pastor Lanny kind of walking along together. He takes one step for every three she takes. Now, don't tell her I said that. But when a young man begins to court a girl, he learns, okay, we're going to be going in the same direction. I have to slow down, take smaller steps to walk with her. A lot of agreement has taken place. Now, I say that because many of you enter into partnerships with people. You enter into business agreements with people. And you're both Christian and you both love God, but you haven't really thought through your levels of agreement that it's going to take for you to walk together. Let me say that again. You want to do business together, you want to be partners, you're both Christians, you both love Jesus with all your heart. But you get into trouble because you don't sit down and think through all the levels of agreement that have to work to make this work. This is why I challenge all of you. When you enter into business with each other, sit down and make a document. Sit down and work through all the ramifications. Sit down and think through this thing together. Think through all the levels of agreement. You cannot walk together until you go through these levels of agreement on where are we going, how fast are we going to go there, what route are we going to take. There's lots of agreement that has to take place before you can truly walk life's journey together.